Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add comments to a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and this comment, this menu bar here you will find this comment option. Click here and there are many kinds of comments. This text box comment, this call out comments, note comments, this highlight comments, strike through comments, underline comments and so on. Firstly, I will show you how to add these call out comments. Click on this call out comments and drag your mouse cursor and set your comments. Now double click on this call out comment box circle and type text here. You can increase decrease this text size. Drag your mouse cursor and select text and see this. Also you can align and again click on this comment and click right button for your mouse cursor and here you will find this properties option. You can change border thickness, this border style and make it 3 and see this. You can change color opacity, you can add fill color, this is border color and this text box comment. Click on this text box and draw a text box and double click on this text box and this is text box default color. You can choose and type text here something and you can say this text color here. This you can make it bold, italic and so on and this is border style and this transparency and this highlight comments. Click on this highlight and drag your text. You can see this highlight color here and this are underlined comments. You can underline, yeah, this is in this way you can add any kinds of comments on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.